Preparing yourself for the trading day in TradingView can add a bunch of advantages to your trading experience. We're going to show you how to both add paper trades so you can start learning without burning through cash. And we're going to also show you how to enable options if it's not already enabled. We're going to do that right here, right now on the Ujamaa network. Now to add your TradingView paper trader, you're going to go ahead to the top menu, select trade, and there's your paper trader now. It's been moved from the menu below, and just go ahead and hit connect, and there's your paper trader. You'll know it's signified by there, and you're ready to go. You're going to open up your TradingView screen, and right on the bottom right hand side there's your icon, your chevrons for applications, and in the menu there's your options. Go ahead and hit that star. You'll see it indicated right there as options. Just take it away and it's gone again, but we want to add it. There it is. Click it and you have your options trader ready for you to go. Fundamentally, putting everything together, knowing where things are at, puts you way ahead of the game. So you're not fumbling around with controls, and you're consolidating your movements in your workflow. This helps you in trading a lot. This is a game of milliseconds. You want to make sure that you have all the tools available for yourself so you can pull off effective trades within a timely fashion. Let me know what you think about this video. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.